It didn't take long to convince me that the Samsung Galaxy A56 is worth every penny, despite missing out on the full flagship treatment. It's durable and good-looking, offers a tidy UI, has helpful AI features, although it lacks the full Galaxy AI suite, and produces very good photos. It's only held back by lacking enough power for intense tasks like gaming. But it really wasn't designed for that, and it's an easy recommendation for most people. Mid-range and budget smartphones are growing in popularity as flagship devices increasingly come with heftier price tags. That doesn't mean the best cheap phones are slower or less durable versions of their high-end counterparts. In fact, they offer unique value to budget-conscious buyers. In this category, the Samsung Galaxy A series is perhaps the best example, and the A56 carries on the tradition. Having launched alongside the A36 and A26, the Galaxy A56 is the most premium of the trio, boasting more RAM and better cameras. That doesn't mean it's expensive, far from it, as it's priced at just $499, £499, $699. The three siblings, however, share key features like the 120Hz refresh rate, a 5,000 mAh battery, and an IP67 water and dust resistance rating. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is the ideal smartphone for the average user, offering seriously fantastic showings across its cameras, display, design, and battery. The Galaxy A56 exudes class with its metal and glass design, feeling just as premium in hand and on the eyes, with a finish reminiscent of high-end devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but at a fraction of the cost. I received the awesome olive marble for this review, though I must admit I had my eyes on the pink variant. Regardless of color choice, the F56's build quality is undeniable. Improving upon the already impressive Galaxy F55 in every way, Samsung's mid-range marvel is bigger, thinner, and lighter. Featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, its display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth visuals thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. As someone who values high-quality screens for watching content, I was genuinely impressed. This quality continues in its battery life. It sports the same 5,000 mAh battery as its predecessor, but that's still an impressive capacity in a budget phone. And my experience backs up Samsung's claim of up to 29 hours of video playback. The Samsung Galaxy F56 has also seen an upgrade from 25-watt to 45-watt charging, making top-ups faster and more convenient for most users, with a charging speed now equal to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Both serious and casual photographers will be happy too. The Galaxy F56 rivals the Motorola Edge 50 Pro for the title of Best Budget Camera Phone, though it's still far away from competing with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The setup includes a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro camera, and a 12MP front-facing shooter. Whether you're capturing night shots, macro details, or everyday moments, the 56 delivers sharp, well-balanced images with a variety of useful features. Speaking of useful features, Samsung's famous Galaxy AI isn't present in its budget line of phones. However, the sprinkling of AI features Samsung doesn't provide, like AI photo editing, note-taking, Google Gemini functionality, and more, add a tasteful amount of flair without overwhelming users who may not want AI integration. Ironically, the one area in which the 56 isn't up to scratch, even compared to similarly priced phones, is its power. Don't get me wrong. It's still perfectly suited to the average user who wants to call, text, video chat, scroll socials, watch the best streaming services, and play games like Clash Royale, but I think it could do with a touch more grunt under the hood. It's simply not the phone to buy if you need power from your handset. When playing Fortnite, for example, gameplay was seriously choppy even at low graphics settings and the minimum 20 FPS. That's not a deal breaker though. At its price point, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is a fantastic choice for the cost-conscious user who wants a well-balanced phone that looks and feels premium. Do you think it's a phone that's best suited for people who prioritize media consumption and photography over heady performance, or could it still serve well for casual gamers and power users who just need something budget-friendly? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.